Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable and use the instant replay feature in OBS Studio so you can capture those clutch moments on stream without recording everything. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Once it launches, look at the upper left corner of the window and click on File, then select Settings from the drop-down menu that appears. In the Settings window, you'll see a left panel with various options. Click on Output to access the recording and streaming configurations. Now locate the output mode setting at the top of this section. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced. This unlocks more detailed controls for your recordings, including the replay buffer feature we need. At the top of the output section, you'll notice several tabs. Click on the Replay Buffer tab to open those specific settings. Here, look for the option labeled Enable Replay Buffer and check the box beside it. This activates the feature that continuously records your stream in the background, ready to save whenever you need it. Next, you'll want to set your maximum replay time length. This determines how much footage gets saved when you hit your hotkey. For quick highlights like a single play or moment, 10 to 30 seconds works perfectly. If you need more context or want to capture longer moments, go with 60 to 120 seconds. You can adjust this by clicking the small up and down arrows right beside the time field until you reach your preferred length. Now we need to assign a hotkey to trigger the replay save. In the left panel, click on Hotkeys. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Replay Buffer. Under Start Replay Buffer, click in the field and assign a key. For example, you could use F2 or any other key that's easy to reach during gameplay. Once you've set your hotkey, click Apply, then click OK in the bottom right to save all your settings. Back on your main OBS window, look at the right panel where your controls are located. You'll now see a button that says Start Replay Buffer. Click it to begin the continuous recording process. OBS will now constantly record the last amount of time you configured, keeping it ready in memory without saving to your hard drive yet. With the replay buffer running, continue playing your game or streaming normally. OBS is now actively waiting for your command. When something exciting happens, like a great play, funny moment, or highlight worth sharing, simply press the Save Replay hotkey you set earlier, such as F2. OBS will instantly save the gameplay from the time period you configured, creating a separate video file you can use later. And that's it. You've successfully set up Instant Replay in OBS Studio, giving you the power to capture epic moments on demand without the hassle of recording your entire stream. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.